In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in the same project in Webflow. If you want to reuse an existing page without rebuilding it from scratch, duplicating the page is a quick and efficient option. It's especially useful when you want to keep the same layout, structure, and styling while creating a variation for new content. In Webflow, this process is simple once you know where to look. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. Once you're inside the designer, go to the left toolbar and click the Pages icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the P key to open the Pages panel instantly. This panel shows all the pages in your current project, making it easy to manage and organize your site content. Next, find the page you want to duplicate. Move your cursor over that page name, and you will see a gear icon appear next to it. Click that gear icon to open the page settings. This is where Webflow gives you access to the page's configuration options, including the duplicate feature. With the Page Settings panel open, look toward the top right corner. You will find the duplicate icon there, which looks like two overlapping pages. Click that icon to begin duplicating the page. This tells Webflow that you want to create a new page based on the one you currently have selected. After that, a new menu will appear where you can configure the duplicated page before creating it. Here, update the page name so it's easy to identify in your project. Then adjust the slug, which is the part of the page URL that appears after your domain. Make sure it matches the purpose of the new page and stays unique within the project. You can also review and update the SEO settings at this stage. This is helpful if the duplicated page will target different content, since you want the title and search-related information to reflect the new page properly. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Webflow will then generate the duplicated page inside the same project, using the original page as its starting point. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.